Hey guys! In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kayo pwedeng kumita monthly without actually doing anything. Hi guys! Tony here, and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Totoo po yung sinabi ko, you can actually earn while doing nothing. Sa dami po nagre-request and nagme-mention about this app, I have finally used it and I am going to teach you how you can earn those extra income without doing anything. The thing about GSave is they have partnered with CIMB. It's a bank. From what I have seen, I think CIMB is pushing for easy banking. So, meron na silang na-launch na app and they have partnered with GCash to promote this saving with them. The thing about CIMB is sobrang layo. Well, hindi naman sobrang layo. Mas mataas ang interest rate nila compared to your traditional banks. And by traditional banks, I mean yung mga famous banks na meron na tayo like BDO, BPI, East West, PNB, Metrobank. Natalo na po nila yung interest rate savings ng traditional banks natin. And I say this because I have BDO, I have BPI, I have East West accounts, and I still choose to put my savings account into the GSave account. And right now, I'll teach you how you can save and a little background as well of the CIMB bank.
Let's open the app and click Save Money. If you can see, very straightforward naman yung app. Sa top, makikita niyo yung balance nyo, current balance, your account number, the annual interest rate, which is 3%. The withdraw is withdraw. Deposit is deposit. My piggy bank is, pag gumamit ka ng services ni GCash, mabibigyan ka ng parang points or coins. So, dun mapupunta yon. Meron silang schedule auto deposit. Ito yung pag ayaw mong kada buwan kang naglalagay, schedule mo lang siya dito and automatically maglalagay na siya by itself. And then lastly, transaction history. Now let's try to put an amount. Let's type 500. Dahil meron akong 693. And then all you have to do is click confirm. And then that's it. Nakita nyo, nabawasan yung GCash ko. Let's go back. And if you can see, nadagdagan ng 500 yung GCash ko. Marami nagtatanong sa akin, sabi annually. Bakit sinasabi mo monthly, magkakaroon ka ng interest? Like traditional banks, if you can see sa bank account mo, meron ka din nakukuha monthly sa kanila. Diba? Luckily kay GCash, pwede mong makita lahat ng transactions mo. So, let's click here para makita natin yung past transactions ko. Okay, yan, nakasulat email to this address and then number of days. Kung from where to where. From what date to what date. Ayan, 7 days, 30 days, or kung may custom ka, pwede. Assume natin ganyan. Okay, yan. Let's click confirm and then ayan na siya. GCash transaction request success. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung email ko. Ayan. Ayan siya. O, diba? Every month, may nakukuha ako. And kung mapapansin nyo, pataas na pataas yung interest ko dahil padagdag din ako ng padagdag ng nilalagay. Okay? Now, if you want to withdraw, it's very easy. Just click withdraw and then that's it. Before we get started, sinabi ko na mas mataas yung interest ni GSave than your regular banks out there. Based sa research na pinagagawa ko, ito yung current interest rate ni BPI. And ito yung kay BDO. Ayan. O, diba? Compare mo naman yan sa 3%. Diba? diba? If you want real proof, here's a screenshot of my current savings. Yan. And masasabi ko, medyo malaki na yung laman ito pero ganito lang. What more sa GSave na 5,000 pala nilalagay ko pero 15 pesos na yung interest ko, di ba? Still, it's a very, very big jump. In all honesty, puro hundreds yung nilalagay ko. So, every time, 500 lang yung nilalagay ko. So, yung 55 dyan, yan na po actually yung tubo ko in just a few months. Okay? What more kung malaki pa yung pinasok ko? Ang kinagandahan dito, kada withdraw or deposit mo, or kahit anong mangyari sa account mo, may magte-text sa'yo from CIMB and GCash. Since this is being partnered by CIMB, pwede na yung account mo ma-access sa app nila. They are going for very easy banking. That's why they've created an app for this. Okay? I haven't tried it. I will try it. I have to try it to see it for myself. Pero sabi sa text, pwede ko na i-access yung GSave account ko sa CIMB app nila, which is very, very convenient on your end.
And that's about it. If you have any app suggestions or if you want me to try any apps, please let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Let me know. I answer there almost as instantly rather than in YouTube comment section. But please let me know if you have any other concerns, questions. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.